hala from Maldives, people. Okay, so I'm heading to this island called the Marina Crossroads. Apparently, they got like a couple of well-known brands and products such as Hard Rock Cafe and just an example. We've got a span of them. I don't want to get into the detail. We're just waiting for our speedboat, and then we're going to be making our way to the island. That's about it. And one of the shots I'll come across during our journey to the island, I will show you all. So this is it. This is our speedboat taking us to the Marina Island. And let's rock and roll, guys. बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत गर्मी। ज़्यादा लगा। Thank you so much. I feel welcome already, man.
Welcome to the Marina Crossroads.
Thank you.
We have, but still not ready. This is the first public beach under construction, and the second side also not ready under construction. That's why it's private for the time.
Okay, so it's just a
At Cafe
private.
Del Mar, yes.
So it's here somewhere.
Yeah, here, at Cafe Del Mar. But this is hiding the swimming pool. Here will be swimming pool, jacuzzi, and the beach side at this side. So with $25, you can get food and drinks, and get the access to the swimming pool, jacuzzi, and all other
So it
facilities.
includes food and everything. 25 US
Yes.
dollars.
Yeah.
Sweet. No problem.
Limited. The food and beverage is limited.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
And offering you some laundries, beach towel, and changing and shower.
Hey guys, okay, just to let you guys know that, okay, I'm not the different person, I'm still the same person. It's just that back then I was suffering from drought. I didn't have hair. This time I got water and some fertilizer to grow some hair, right? So before going further, let me just inform you guys that, okay, my main focus was to do snorkeling. However, I did take some shots of the views of the island by using my Sony 6400 Alpha series camera. I believe still pictures are far much better than recording videos. That's my personal opinion. You guys might have different opinion. As far as the price is concerned for the snorkeling, I paid about $70 for an hour and a half, which was more than sufficient for me to cover everything underwater around the area. And there was this boat that took us to an area where it parked off and they geared me up. So that's basically it, and now we can go into the shots that I took from my phone and the camera itself. It'll be very easy for you guys to differentiate between the two. So yep, that's pretty much it.